Ah, Munich, this city's got a heartbeat you can feel. From its grand avenues to its cozy beer halls, Munich's got a way of getting under your skin. Welcome to Munich, the heart of Bavaria, and a city rich with history and culture. Join me as we explore the top destinations to make the most of your 4-day visit. Over the next few days, we'll stroll through lively squares, marvel at architectural wonders, and soak up the unique Bavarian charm. Pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and let's discover Munich together. Our journey begins in Marienplatz, the very heart of Munich. This bustling square has been the city's central gathering place for centuries, and it's easy to see why. Look around. The energy is contagious. Street performers, colorful flower stalls, and the aroma of freshly baked pretzels fill the air. Now, focus your attention on that masterpiece of Gothic architecture towering above us, the newest Rathaus, or New Town Hall. And keep your eyes peeled for the Glockenspiel, the iconic clock tower that puts on a show 3 times a day. It's like a giant cuckoo clock come to life, with figures dancing and jousting to the chiming of bells. Next up, we're escaping the city buzz for a while and heading to the English Garden, one of the world's largest urban parks. Imagine this: over 900 acres of lush greenery, winding paths, sparkling lakes, and even a Chinese pagoda. It's the perfect place to escape the city hustle and bustle. We can rent a paddle boat and enjoy a leisurely cruise on the lake, or grab a spot on the grass and simply soak up the sun. And speaking of soaking things up, no visit to the English Garden is complete without experiencing a traditional Bavarian beer garden. Today, we're stepping back in time and into the opulent world of Bavarian royalty at the residence. This sprawling palace complex was once the home of the Wittelsbach monarchs, who ruled Bavaria for over 700 years. As we wander through the lavishly decorated rooms and courtyards, we'll uncover centuries of history and artistry. Don't miss the Antiquarium, a magnificent Renaissance hall considered one of the most beautiful rooms in Germany. And be sure to check out the Treasury, where you'll find a dazzling collection of crown jewels and other priceless artifacts. The residence is a testament to the power and grandeur of the Wittelsbach dynasty, and a must-see for any visitor to Munich. For all you curious minds out there, the Deutsches Museum is a must-visit. This isn't just any museum, folks. It's one of the oldest and largest science and technology museums in the world. From the first electric dynamo to a real submarine, this place has it all. We can explore the wonders of space travel, delve into the intricacies of the human body, or even try our hand at piloting an airplane in the flight simulator. It's a fascinating and interactive experience for all ages. Our next stop takes us a bit outside the city center to Nymphenburg Palace, a stunning Baroque palace that was once the summer residence of the Bavarian rulers. Just imagine strolling through those perfectly manicured gardens, the scent of flowers filling the air, and the sound of fountains splashing in the background. Inside the palace, we'll be treated to more architectural splendor, with grand halls, ornate stucco work, and beautiful frescoes. Be sure to check out the Carriage Museum, where you'll find an impressive collection of historical carriages and sleighs. Nymphenburg Palace is a true feast for the senses, and a perfect example of the extravagance of the Baroque era. Our final stop in Munich brings us to the Viktualienmarkt, a food lover's paradise right in the heart of the city. This vibrant market has been a Munich institution for over 200 years, and it's the perfect place to experience the city's culinary delights. From fresh produce and meats to cheeses, breads, and pastries, the sights and smells alone are enough to make your mouth water. We can grab a bite to eat at one of the many food stalls, or simply wander around and soak up the lively atmosphere. And be sure to try some local specialties like Weisswurst, a traditional Bavarian sausage, or a refreshing Radler, a mix of beer and lemonade. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of Munich's must-visit spots. From the historic Marienplatz to the sprawling English Garden, from the royal grandeur of the Residence to the scientific wonders of the Deutsches Museum, Munich offers something for everyone. Remember, there's always more to explore. So take your time and enjoy the Bavarian charm. Prost!